At Flick Anti-Simics, your complete satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. We strive to ensure your pest problems are solved with minimum disruption and maximum effectiveness, leaving you with a pest-free environment for you and your family to enjoy. Successful termite management is based around a system of colony elimination and constant monitoring to intercept termite foraging. We find and treat any active areas with above-ground stations, and our in-ground and in-concrete stations act as an early warning system, constantly on guard to detect termite movement and foraging to ensure any future attacks are spotted early and treated accordingly. Our termite baits are non-toxic to animals and humans. The bait is specifically formulated so the termites carry it back to the nest to eliminate the entire colony. Inspection of the property and its structures and installation of 20 in-ground and in-concrete stations should take approximately 3 to 4 hours to complete. During the inspection phase, our friendly technicians may alert you to termite-conducive conditions such as areas of excessive moisture or timber in contact with the ground. Reducing the risk of termite attack to your property is an important part of the termite control program. Studies have not only shown that termite baiting and elimination systems are by far the most effective method of termite control, the same studies have also highlighted the unsurpassed safety for you, your family, your pets, and the environment. Combined with our termite damage warranty, it really is the ultimate termite management system. Call Flick Anti-Simics today to book your inspection and treatment and enjoy the peace of mind of a pest-free environment for you and your family.